Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Today we have our topic from lesson number 2, angles at a point. This is from our chapter 12, angles. Before starting today's topic, let's have some previous knowledge. First of all, everyone knows what is the angle. An angle is formed when two straight lines meet at a point. The point is known as the vertex. We have two lines and these lines meet at this point. This point is called the vertex. Its best example is the pizza piece. This point is the vertex. Angle at a point. Let's take a straight line. We take a full angle at the upper side of the line. Then we take another angle at the bottom side of the line. When these two angles meet, the upper angle is 180 degree because angle on a straight lines add up to 180 degree. These two 180 degree, when we add these two 180 degree, we get 360 degree. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. To 180 degree we get 360 degree. So the conclusion is angle at a point add up to 360 degree. Let's have some other solution. We take right side and the left side of the line. Right side we have 290 degree angles. It means we have 180 degree angle. And the left side we have 290 degree angles. These becomes 180 degree. When we add these two 180 degree angles, we get 360 degree. Angle at a point add up to 360 degree. The sum of the angles at a point is 360 degree. Let's take a stick. A ball rotate around a stick. What angle it becomes? Before we know, let's have some example of angle at a point. This fan is also the example of angle at a point. This butter is also example is, this round butter is also example, this round CD is also example, angle at a point. And the best example is our 12 o'clock on a clock is the best example of angle at a point. Let's have some examples. Find the unknown angle. We have two angles around the vertex, the outer angle and the inner angle. Inner angle we have 65. We find outer angle by subtracting 65 from 360 degree. We have another example. We have three partitions of 360 degree. Two partitions we know and the third one we don't know. We find out the third one angle by subtracting other two from 360 degree. Now student, let's have some questions from our textbook page number 245. Our question number 5 is, AB is a straight line. Here we have A and B. AB is a straight line and all the angles meet a point. Meet a point means all the angles meet at this point. We know that angle at a point add up to 360 degree. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. We have an angle and if I turn my marker down, it gives 180 degree and then comes up. This whole circle make angle at a point. So angle at a point add up to 360 degree. If we have at a circle any angles are given and one is left. So how we find the leftover angle? We subtract all the given angles from 360 degree, then we get angle y. Suppose angle y is equal to 360 degree minus 140 degree minus 40 degree minus 45 degree. When we subtract 360 minus 140, we get 220 degree. Then we subtract 40. After that we subtract 45. 220 degree minus 40 degree, we get 180 degree. 180 degree minus 45 degree, we get 135 degree. So angle y is equal to 135 degree. Now we have another question. Question number 6. Find unknown angles. We have a figure. In this figure, we have angle 65 degree given and we are going to find out angle W. How we find this? These two angles make angle at a point. So we find angle W by subtracting 65 degree from 360 degree. When we subtract these two values, we get 295 degree. Now we have part B. We have three angles at a point. One is box. Box means 90 degree. One angle is X and one is 150 degree. Now how we find X? We find angle X by subtracting 90 and 150 from 360 degree. 360 degree minus 90 degree, we get 270 degree minus 150 degree, 120 degree. This is how we get the remaining angle from the angle at a point. Hope you understand all the concept related to angle at a point.